In the age of rapid technological advancement, agriculture is undergoing a remarkable transformation, and chili farming is at the heart of it. Traditionally considered a labor-intensive crop requiring constant vigilance, chili cultivation is now being revolutionized by the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and drones. These technologies are not only increasing productivity and reducing risks, but are also reshaping how farmers think about growing, protecting, and harvesting their crops. From real-time disease detection to precision spraying and automated decision-making, AI and drones are driving a farming revolution that is changing chili cultivation forever. Why chili farming needs a technological upgrade? Chilies are one of the most popular and widely consumed spices in the world, with major producers like India, China, Thailand, and Mexico dominating global supply. The demand for chilies, both fresh and dried, is consistently high, but the cultivation process is far from simple. Chili plants are delicate and susceptible to a wide range of issues, including pest infestations, fungal diseases, water stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Moreover, with fluctuating weather patterns and increasing labor shortages, traditional methods of farming are proving to be unsustainable and inefficient. This is where AI and drones offer game-changing solutions, allowing farmers to grow more chilies with less effort and greater precision. The role of artificial intelligence in chili farming. Artificial intelligence acts as the brain behind modern chili farms. By utilizing vast amounts of data and advanced algorithms, AI systems can perform tasks that previously required human expertise, guesswork, or trial and error. Predictive analytics in crop planning. One of the most significant contributions of AI to chili farming is in the realm of predictive analytics. AI can process weather forecasts, historical farm data, soil composition reports, and satellite imagery to suggest the best time to plant, irrigate, and harvest. This allows farmers to make informed decisions that minimize risks related to unexpected rainfall, heat waves, or dry spells. Instead of relying on gut feeling or past experience, farmers now have access to intelligent tools that help optimize every stage of the crop cycle. Disease and pest detection using computer vision. Diseases like powdery mildew, leaf curl virus, and thrips infestation can devastate a chili crop within days. Traditionally, identifying these threats required constant human surveillance across the field. Today, AI-powered image recognition tools, often integrated with smartphone cameras or drones, can scan leaves and spot infections in their earliest stages. Farmers can simply click a photo of a suspicious-looking leaf, and the AI tool will instantly diagnose the problem and offer recommended treatments. This reduces the need for blanket pesticide use and helps in adopting more sustainable, targeted approaches. Automated irrigation and nutrient management. AI also powers automated irrigation systems that use data from soil sensors to determine when and how much to water the chili plants. These smart systems monitor soil moisture, pH levels, and nutrient content in real time, and automatically control irrigation to deliver optimal water levels. As water becomes an increasingly scarce resource, these systems help farmers conserve water while ensuring that crops receive exactly what they need. No more, no less. Yield estimation and supply planning. AI models can analyze the health of the crop, weather trends, and historical data to predict the expected yield. This helps farmers and cooperatives prepare for storage, transportation, and market strategies well in advance. In commercial chili farming, accurate yield predictions can make the difference between profit and loss. Drones, the eyes and hands of the modern farm. While AI brings intelligence and data processing, drones add mobility, speed, and efficiency to chili farming operations. These unmanned aerial vehicles have become essential for farmers looking to manage large fields with minimal labor and maximum insight. Aerial surveying and crop health monitoring. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and multispectral sensors can fly over chili fields and capture detailed images that reveal the health of the plants. By analyzing light reflections and chlorophyll levels, these images help generate NDVI normalized difference vegetation index maps that highlight problem areas, such as plants under stress or affected by disease. With this data, farmers can take corrective action earlier, saving entire sections of crops from damage. Precision spraying. Drones are now being used to spray pesticides, fungicides, and nutrients across chili farms with unparalleled precision. Traditional spraying methods often result in overuse of chemicals, exposure to farm workers, and environmental contamination. In contrast, drones deliver just the right amount of spray exactly where it's needed, significantly reducing waste and costs. These drones can be pre-programmed using AI-generated maps to target specific areas of the field, making the process more efficient and sustainable. Continuous monitoring and real-time surveillance. Unlike manual inspection, drones can monitor a chili farm daily or even multiple times a day. They provide real-time surveillance, identifying problems like weed overgrowth, irrigation failures, or damage caused by storms. This continuous oversight is especially valuable for large farms where daily human inspection is impractical. Seeding and pollination. Emerging use cases. Though not yet mainstream for chili crops, drones are beginning to be tested for automated seeding and artificial pollination. In the future, this could eliminate the need for manual sowing or reliance on natural pollinators, making the entire growing cycle more autonomous and predictable. The magic of integration. When AI and drones work together, the real power of these technologies is unleashed when AI and drones are used in tandem. Drones collect huge volumes of data from the field: images, temperature, plant density, and soil conditions. AI then processes this data to draw conclusions and recommend next steps. For example, a drone might notice a specific pattern of leaf discoloration in a section of the field. AI analyzes this pattern and identifies it as an early stage of thrips infestation. Within seconds, the farmer receives an alert with images, diagnosis, and suggestions for treatment, all delivered on their mobile device. This kind of synergy enables ultra-fast decision-making and dramatically improves farm responsiveness. Real-life examples of AI and drones in chili farming. Case study: Andhra Pradesh, India. In the Guntur district, one of the largest chili-producing regions in the world, AI and drone technologies have been piloted in collaboration with agritech startups and government bodies. Farmers using drone spraying reported a 30% reduction in pesticide use while maintaining or increasing yields. The adoption of AI for soil and crop monitoring further helped in saving water and fertilizers. Local agricultural universities now recommend the tech-driven model as a blueprint for future farming. Case study: Thailand. In Thailand, exporters use AI to sort chilies based on quality, size, and color. Instead of manual grading, AI algorithms automate the entire process with precision, improving sorting speed, reducing labor costs, and ensuring that only premium-grade chilies are exported. Case study: Mexico. Large chili farms in northern Mexico use drone-generated thermal maps to identify parts of the field suffering from water stress. AI interprets this data to optimize irrigation schedules. As a result, farmers reported up to 25% savings in water consumption and better overall plant health. Economic and environmental benefits. The financial benefits of using AI and drones in chili farming are significant. Farmers can reduce costs by using fewer pesticides and less water. They can also increase their income by growing healthier crops and selling higher quality chilies at better prices. Some reports suggest that farmers using precision technologies are earning up to 40% more than those relying on traditional methods. Labor savings are another benefit. Drones and AI allow farmers to manage large plots with fewer workers, reducing dependency on increasingly scarce rural labor. Environmentally, the benefits are just as powerful. Smart systems minimize chemical runoff into water bodies, help conserve precious water resources, and reduce the carbon footprint of farming by decreasing tractor use and manual spraying. By enabling targeted intervention rather than broad-spectrum solutions, these technologies support biodiversity and reduce long-term soil degradation. Challenges and roadblocks. Despite the many advantages, there are hurdles to widespread adoption. The initial investment in drones, sensors, and AI systems can be steep, especially for small-scale farmers. There's also a steep learning curve. Many farmers are unfamiliar with technology and may require training to fully leverage its benefits. Rural internet connectivity remains inconsistent in many regions, limiting access to cloud-based AI platforms. Furthermore, drone usage is often subject to aviation regulations, which may restrict where and how they can be flown. However, these challenges are being tackled through government support, startup innovations, and training programs. Agritech companies are offering drone-as-a-service models, where farmers can hire drones when needed without buying the equipment outright. Mobile apps with simple user interfaces are being developed to make AI accessible to non-tech-savvy users. What the future holds: fully automated chili farms. The next phase of chili farming may feature fully automated systems where AI and drones are just one part of a larger ecosystem. Farmers could soon use robotic harvesters, blockchain for crop traceability, and digital twin technologies that simulate entire crop cycles. With sensors embedded in the soil and plants and drones flying autonomously, a farmer may be able to manage a 100-acre chili farm from a smartphone. AI marketplaces might soon suggest the best time to sell chilies based on market prices, weather conditions, and air trends. Blockchain could trace every chili from seed to supermarket, ensuring transparency and premium pricing. The age of smart chili farming is here, faster, smarter, and more sustainable than ever before. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tech Meets Agriculture content. Drop a comment below. Would you trust AI to grow your food? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.